subscribers. Today I will show to you installation of Windows on Mac. So here you just need to choose it. Here you just need to choose partition in which you want to install Windows. So we will also just, before doing that, we just tap on delete and just tap on OK. So now we just need to choose it. And just tap on new. And here you just need to write, or you can also just choose this one and just tap on it, and it will use all the space of drive you choose. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.